While the Edit command limits you to dimensional changes to features in your model, Edit Definition opens the dashboard used to initially create your feature and enables you to make other kinds of modifications. With the dashboard open, you can make changes to the feature type, edit depth options, change the direction, and the feature shape. For example, Edit Definition is perfect if you want to create a relationship between two features of a part, such as this upper boss, whose depth is controlled with a blind value. It can easily be changed so the depth is controlled by the depth of the lower boss. Now, when the dimension on the lower boss is changed, the depth of the upper boss will be updated automatically. Edit Definition can also be used to change the shape of this boss from the current circular shape to a more square shape, or to change this extrude type so that it adds material rather than removes material from the model. Edit Definition is a powerful tool that enables you to change how features are defined. In most cases, there's no need to recreate a feature that needs to be modified. Just use Edit Definition, and you can make almost any required change.